Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be vlogging for you guys, and I am just chilling on a Sunday. It is Sunday, August 18th at 11 a.m. when I'm starting this vlog. I just came back from the nail salon. I haven't gone to mani-pedi in a month and a half, maybe 2 months. Don't be alarmed. I was kind of rehabbing my nails after doing gel for like 6 months straight, I think, and my nails are really weak and brittle, so I just decided to give them a break. So I haven't gone to the nail salon until today, and I just got regular polish on here. I got OPI bubble bath, and then I got white on my toes, and I got regular polish because I'm still taking a gel break. That has been the start of my day. I need to clean my room, and I'm gonna do some face masks, some self-care Sunday, if you will, and kind of bring you guys along with me for the day. Let's just start off with how my room looks right now. Honestly, my room is the hottest mess right now. I was very busy yesterday and I did not clean up after myself nor pick up anything yesterday. It was my niece's birthday party, so I've been gone from home all day yesterday. I went to dinner, everything, came home, just went to sleep. So yeah, I really need to clean up all of this mess, and then I'll kind of chill, do a face mask probably in a second. I'm gonna do a quick montage of me picking up this place and so I'm just gonna use my favorite Thomas Roth Irish Moor Mud Purifying Black Mask and put this on while I kind of get my room together. I feel like I'm so lazy during the week. Like when I get home, I'm like, oh, I don't even want to put a mask on. It takes too much time to put on and take off, but I really desperately need one. Okay, so I put a little montage of me fixing my bed, but I just did a speed clean and kind of put stuff away, put my laundry away, and now I'm gonna kind of get ready for the day. So I'm just gonna share how I do my hair. I've been really feeling a middle part lately, and it's kind of been my thing. I already put some heat protector on my hair and brushed it through. My hair is kind of crazy. I curled it yesterday, so this is like the result of my curled hair yesterday, but I also went to dinner and it was very foggy over there, so it like made my hair so frizzy. Just like to section it off and leave the top part up while I do work on the bottom part. And I think this is like a 1-inch curling wand, maybe a 1 1/4, and I use the Hot Tools brand. You could just get this at Ulta. I've had this for a while when my hair was longer before I cut it, and I just like that it gives me kind of, not really natural, but it's more beachy kind of waves. Sometimes I switch it up and I do like some of the curls going backwards, some of them going forwards, but lately I've really liked them all going backwards and kind of frames my face. I've been also kind of doing more of a middle part, so I really like that look as of right now with the length that my hair is. I desperately also need a haircut. My hair actually feels like ish. Basically, my hair is begging to be trimmed. No, all my hair does not feel like bad. This last week, I've been taking pretty much a styling no heat detox for my hair. I literally had my hair in a bun this past week. Every day that I went to work, I had it down maybe one day, but my hair it feels so frizzy when I let it like naturally air dry, and it's kind of like like more of a kinky wave to it. It's not curly and it's not like flat waves. But the thing is, the back of my head, like the crown of my head, right here, the back, gets really, really frizzy. And I could put serum, I put oil, I even tried to use like some kind of mousse thing, and it just doesn't look good. So like from the front it'll look good, and then the back just looks like a frizzy mess. This is how I like it to look, kind of flat. I like how it wears throughout the day too, because then it just turns into a softer wave. I was thinking of filming a tutorial today, but I think I'm going to be leaving soon and I might not have enough time. But I'm going to try to squeeze in something. I kind of want to do a neutral look. I think that's so basic, right? But that's the kind of look I want to go for today. I think I'm going to be using my Morphe bronze palette as well. Sorry, this, like I said, this part of my hair is super frizzy. So I'm like trying to sweep the iron over it just so it kind of like chills out before I actually try to curl it. I've been taking a break from my constant upload schedule that I had for last month, just because I feel like I burned myself out a little bit. Like, I wanted to upload so much, and I was really feeling like the creative vibe the whole month as well. Like, I was like, what can I film next? Like, what is a good video? And all that stuff. And I kept thinking about it. But then, like, towards the end of the month, I kind of lost my momentum. And I feel like that happens to me very, very often. Like, I get into these funks where I'm kind of like, I don't really know. Like, and then you get kind of discouraged. I'm just being honest. Like, I get really discouraged when some videos don't do too well. Sometimes it kind of feels like I put in so much effort for so little return, because you guys know it takes a long time to film a video. It takes, depending on what kind of video it is, it can take at least an hour for even like a 5-minute video. Plus, it takes an hour probably to film the video. Then it takes multiple hours to go back in and edit the video. And if you're babbling, you're getting you're interrupted, which I get interrupted so much. You guys notice I live near the airport, or more likely near the flight path that a lot of flights go. So I have to constantly stop when I'm filming at my house to wait for the planes to pass by, or else I have that loud roaring in the background of my video. So it takes so long and so much effort to set up and get a video ready. And then in addition to editing it and doing a thumbnail and all of that, it takes a lot of time. So when you're uploading constantly and stuff, and then you're seeing not that big of a return, I guess. Like, I don't even care if my video doesn't need to get millions of views or thousands of views, but like when it's less than 100 views, then it's like discouraging. And I was filming so much that I was like, okay, well, what else can I film? I don't really know. Like, what will people want to see? What can people relate to? What would I want to see? And I just like, I needed a break. So I tried to stick to my filming schedule as much as possible during July. And I really did until I think the last 2 uploads. I did not do my Wednesday, Friday upload, I don't think. I think I just uploaded one on Monday and Wednesday and Friday, and not Wednesday. And that's just because, like I said, I was feeling kind of burnt out. I didn't have any new ideas for videos that were really, my hair looks crazy, that were really intriguing to me. So I just did not film. I'm kind of like at a standstill in my creative process of like what I want to film next. So if you guys have any ideas, it would be greatly appreciated. Like any suggestions on what I should do. My cousin actually suggested that we do a drunk get ready with me, basically. and I'm like hesitant to do it just because I have to edit it, and I know that me looking over drunk me's what I'm saying and editing what I'm saying, I'm gonna be like, oh my god, like kill me now. Why did I say that, or why did I act like that? You just, you know, you're more self-conscious about yourself obviously when you're sober. So me going back and editing it sober, I'm gonna be like, stop. Never mind, throw the whole video away if I say something stupid or whatever. But if that's something you guys would be interested in seeing, let me know, because it is a good idea. Like, she was like, yeah, let's do it. Pretty much inspired off of Kylie's new video, which I still haven't watched yet. I'm sure you guys seen it if you guys follow her. She posted, like, her and Chloe did a drunk get ready with me, so from the previews it seemed pretty funny. I've also wanted to film like some fashion videos, but the only thing is, like, it's so hard to film fashion videos by yourself, and I don't know if I want to like do like my old style videos where like I would go out and film in public my outfits and stuff. Those were always super stressful to film because like you have to find somewhere to change, or like change in your car, you have to plan the outfits, you have to have someone recording for you. It was very time consuming, and when I used to do them, I used to have my friend Helen help me out, and we would go together. Sometimes we would film together, and sometimes she would just help me kind of film because I really needed someone that had a camera to help me out. And sometimes I'm like, I really want to film those videos. Like, those videos used to do really good, and I really enjoyed like editing those videos because it's not talking. It's me showing the outfit, so it was always way funner to edit, and I could add fun music, and it was just less stressful to edit, just more stressful to film it. I was thinking of doing like a how to style neon because that's been a big trend over the summer, but with summer ending, I'm thinking of trying to do something else. I don't really know what, like I said. So if you have any ideas, definitely let me know. If you guys want to see fashion videos, let me know. I still like to film makeup videos. It's just, like I said, it's very stressful to edit those. It's just so long and so time consuming. So I need to figure out a filming technique on how I want to go forward with filming beauty videos. Because sometimes I feel like I'm all over the place. Sometimes I start off with bare eyes completely and a no face at all. And sometimes I'll do one eye and then go and show you guys on video doing my other eye. And yeah, I don't really know which I like best, I don't know why this turned on, but I don't know which kind that I like best is what I'm trying to say. Okay, my camera memory turned off. My camera memory was full, and also somehow I turned off my curling iron. I don't know how that happened, but I'm almost finished with my hair and with my rant. So if you guys have any video ideas or any preference on what format you guys like on at least makeup tutorials, like, do you like when people show doing both of their eyes, or do you think it's just too time consuming to do that? Or do you like when they have already pre-done one eye and kind of just skip to the basics and have a shorter video? Do you like talk through videos? That's what I would love to know. I feel like sometimes it depends for me. Sometimes I'm like, I just want to get to the point and see the look, depending on who is recording it. Sometimes I want to hear what they have to say and like their conversation and what's going on with their life. So sometimes it just depends whose video it is. It really, I don't know, that's just me. But this is kind of my go-to hairstyle now, and I'm gonna finish getting ready and talk to you guys in a bit. So I just went and got me a snack. I am eating some cheese, crackers, and salami. I am starving. I haven't ate anything. I just had a protein shake, and there's literally nothing here. Like, I wanted to make a sandwich, but we don't even have any sandwich meat or anything. And then I was gonna make avocado toast, and we don't have any avocado. I guess I'll just snack on this and then hopefully go out a little bit later and get some lunch. I'm gonna try to do my makeup really quick. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Maybe go to San Jose. So I'm gonna do that really quick. Maybe I'll share a few pieces while I'm going along. Okay, so I just did one eye and I'm using my Morphe palette. So I just went ahead and took this light taupe brown shade and used that on my crease. And then I went in with this kind of warm brown maroon shade and put this in the outer V as well as this one in the outer V. Then what I did was I took my btwtahtee palette and I used the shade Basic on my lid and went ahead and added some eyeliner. So I'm gonna just show you guys that in real time. I really like to try out new looks, but sometimes there's just something about neutral shades that just gets me. Just gets me. It's like not too much thinking you have to do. And I like the way it looks and kind of can go with everything, especially because I don't know what I am even doing, yet alone what I'm even going to be wearing today. So this should hopefully work for whatever comes my way. And I don't really clean up this part until after I do my eyebrows, and I like to do my foundation first and then my eyebrows because I don't like when foundation gets in my eyebrows after I've already done them. So I'm gonna just go ahead and take that shade Basic like I said and I really pack it on to the lid. I'm gonna go back in with my crease brush. Getting my Stila eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a thin wing. We just came to get souffle pancakes. How are your pancakes? Not a drop left. I can't believe I forgot to vlog this. They were so good. I'll insert a picture here of what they look like because I did take a picture and did not think to vlog. Hi guys, so I'm actually coming back to you from work, and as I was going to upload the video I realized I did not have an outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you aren't already. If you guys like vlogs, definitely let me know. I'll try to film more of them and actual complete vlogs, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.